Now that all the windows are painted, I am ready to clean all the glass panes and start insetting them into the frames with some putty. I already did 2. Looks pretty clean. I've got my razor blade, my panes, just a big bowl of soapy water, and some paper towels and Windex. All the glass is clean, and I did it without breaking any windows, thankfully. Well, the first ones are in. I didn't break any panes. Some of these are really difficult to get up close. Got that gap, so I'm gonna kind of wiggle that a little bit more to get it as flat to the wood as I can, like this one. I was able to get all but 3 panes set into the window frame. The 2 big windows that we have, one of them has 2 missing panes, and then this other one back here kind of ran out of glass. So the plan will be to probably just board up those holes until spring, unless we can get a hold of some more glass before the framing starts. So next week I will be walking you through my process on doing the glazing putty. I have something fun to share with you that I discovered for that. And like I said before, this is all new to me, doing this sort of work, glazing windows and refurbishing them to as new as possible. So I will just walk you through everything that I do and have discovered along the way. And I'll also give you just a quick tour of the space I'm working in, which is my art studio. Hope you come back for that, and I'll see you next week.